This brrr sounds nice. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you all new BMW M4 Competition all-wheel drive. In this video, we'll cover its amazing features, its cost of ownership, exterior and interior design, and much more. Without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Make sure you like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. You understand what I'm saying?
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir.
The BMW M4 Competition is a high-performance coupe that seamlessly blends luxury, advanced technology, and sheer driving experience. As a part of BMW's revived M line, the M4 Competition stands out with its powerful engine, precise handling, and a suite of high-tech features. Let's talk about the engine and drivetrain. Under the bonnet, it comes with 3-liter, 6-cylinder petrol engine with power output of 390 kilowatt and 650 Newton meters of torque, paired with 8-speed automatic transmission and its all-wheel drive system. 0 to 100 km per hour in only 3.5 seconds. Depend on your driving modes. The claim average fuel consumption on this M4 is 10.2 liters to the 100. Let's talk about the exterior design of this M4. It features a bold and dynamic presence, shows BMW's commitment to combining performance with aesthetic appeal. The car's design is aggressive yet refined, making a strong statement on the road. The front end is dominated by BMW's iconic kidney grills, which are larger and more pronounced than ever. These kidney grills are not for only distinctive look, but also improves the airflow for the engine cooling. And you get prominent M4 badge on it. On the side, you get matrix LED headlamps with city light function. The city light function means, in simple words, it focuses only on the road. These advanced headlights are very bright at night. Their design enhances the car's aggressive look. Bumper spoiler at the bottom and sort of air ducts on each side of the bumper. What you'll say about updated front end of this M4? Believe me or not, M4 is my favorite sports car from day one. The bonnet design features a sculpted, muscular look with prominent creases that emphasize the car's power and aerodynamics. Moving to the side, on this M4 you get shining black sports rims, 19-inch in the front and 20-inch at the back. With Michelin tires with a tire profile of 235/35/19 in the front and 285/30/20-inch at the back. You get double piston M Sport brake calipers with ventilated brake discs. The M4 brakes are so powerful, they'll stop you faster than the panic of realizing you left your phone at home. This here is good looking grille or A-vent with M4 Competition badge on it. It looks nice though. You get shining black side mirror with heated and auto fold functions, LED indicator and 360 view camera built in it. The side profile of this M4 showcases its sleek and aerodynamic lines, with a long sculpted hood and short overhangs that emphasize its sporty character. On top of the roof, you get carbon fiber touch and advanced shark fin antenna. Moving to the back end of this sports car, first thing you notice, these new design LED laser tail lamps. They are well designed and very bright at night, I promise you. And you also get BMW laser writing on them. The rear bumper of the M4 features a bold design with a sculpted look and prominent quad exhaust outlets, highlighting its sporty and aggressive nature. By the way, these quad exhausts sound nice. In different driving modes, you get different sound. That will change and show you how does it sound. You get M4 Competition badge and you get BMW logo with camera built in it. Good looking rear bumper spoiler on the boot lid. Let's open the boot and check what's inside. This BMW M4 has a luggage capacity of 440 liters. Yeah, this is how the boot looks like. That's it. Nothing much to show. And you can close it with this button over there on the boot lid. This is how the key looks like on the BMW M4. You get unlock button, lock to open boot, and the switch for alarm. This is how the door looks like on this M4 frameless door. It's adding a touch of elegance and spottiness to its overall design. On the inside, you get good looking door pads. You get Harman Kardon sound system and 2 cup holders at the bottom. What I like most on this car is these seats. M4 features M Sport seats with merino leather upholstery, providing excellent support and comfort. These seats are highly adjustable, heated and designed with integrated headrest with M4 logo embossed on them. You can adjust them from controls given on the side of the seats. I promise you, these seats are more comfortable than your lounge couch. There are about 14 different upholstery designs that you can choose on this M4 competition, but this particular one is merino silver black. You get M Sport steering wheel with plenty of controls on it with red and blue stitching that shows that it's M Sport steering. It has plenty of controls for multimedia, driving assistance, cruise control and much more. You also get M1, M2 controls. From there you can adjust your driving modes and you can customize your driving. The steering wheel is nice and soft. When you hold it, you really feel good. Good looking pedal shifters with touch of red and carbon fiber. Red 12 o'clock mark right on the top of the steering wheel. The M4 competition features 2 high-resolution LCD screens that enhances both functionality and aesthetics. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides a customizable display of vital driving information, including speed, navigation, and performance metrics, all in clear, crisp detail. The 12.3-inch central touchscreen is a hub for the ID Drive 7.0 infotainment system. Offers a range of features such as navigation, media, communication, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and vehicle settings. And this infotainment system is pumped with 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds very good. The screens are seamlessly integrated into dashboard, ensuring easy access and a modern high-tech feel. Touch of carbon fiber on the dashboard really looks good. You get cool knobs to adjust your climate control. 2 cup holders in the center with USB-C charging port and 12-volt charging outlet. That over there inside, wireless charging pad. I close it where I'm going to open it. Look at the gear lever. Good looking gear lever with M Sport logo embossed on it. And you get parking button, and that's where you can change your driving modes. You get rotatory dial and access to your control buttons. Push button start, and you have access to 360 view camera system. Center console storage with USB-C charging port. Let's jump at the back and check the storage at the back there. This is how the rear seats look like. Same pattern as front seats. I guess the back seats are only for children, not for adults. Let's quickly jump at the back. If you close the seat, not much legroom and toe room. These seats at the back, they feel comfortable. They feel very premium. Reading light on top. 2 air vents in the center and ISOFIX child seat mounts. If we talk about safety features, this M4 is equipped with a lot of safety features. It includes plenty of airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring system, parking assistance, collision and pedestrian detection, cross traffic alert, night vision, anti-theft alarm system, keyless entry, tire pressure monitoring system, dynamic stability control, head-up display, 360 view camera system, front and rear PDC sensors, and much more. I just want to show you quickly how does the exhaust sound. That's what I like, the Vurpa sound. 3. This BMW M4 Competition all-wheel drive will cost you 2,215,000. For more car content, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon with another video.